Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can host your website completely for free using Netlify. Whether you build a simple HTML, CSS, JavaScript website or a small project, this method works perfectly. The best part, it's super easy, free and fast. Before we start, let's quickly understand what Netlify is. Netlify is a platform that allows you to deploy static websites. So it's one of the best options for students, freelancers and developers who want to show their projects online. First, open your browser and go to netlify.com. You will see a green sign up or get started button. Click that. You can sign up easily using your Google or GitHub account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Netlify dashboard. Now, if you already have your website ready, for example, a folder with an index.html, style.css, and maybe some images, or script.js, you can directly upload it. Just drag and drop your entire project folder into the box that says drag and drop your site folder here. Wait a few seconds and boom, your site will be uploaded and hosted automatically. You'll instantly get a link like this: https your project name.netlify.app. Click that link and congratulations, your website is now live on the internet. Anyone can open it from anywhere in the world. Now, to change your project URL name, go to the dashboard and click on deploys and click on deploy settings. In here, click on project details and scroll down. Here you can find change project name. In that, edit the project name you want. I am feeding that Hemant. And click on save. After clicking save, your project URL has been changed. In this way, you can change your URL name. And that's how simple it is. Host your static website on Netlify. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below.